Yes, we're going to move to that one right now. Acorda Therapeutics. Yes, we're going to go ahead and add another stream marker. Acorda Therapeutics, ladies and gentlemen. Let's review Seeking Alpha real quick. Acorda oh honey honey. ACOR, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see what we got over here. So Acorda company's profile says, Acorda Therapeutics, a biopharmaceutical company, develops and commercializes therapies for neurological disorders in the United States. The company markets Ampera, an oral drug to improve walking in patients with multiple sclerosis, and Selencro, an orally administered drug for the treatment of alcohol dependence in Europe. It also markets Ampera as Vampira in Europe, Asia, and the Americas. In addition, the company develops Imbrija for the treatment of off periods in Parkinson's disease and Arcus product for the treatment of acute migraine. Further, it develops RHIGM22, which has completed phase 1 clinical trial for the treatment of MS, and semaglutide alpha that is in phase 1b clinical trial for heart failure patients. The company has collaboration and license agreement with Biogen Inc. for the development and commercialization of Ampera. Acorda Therapeutics was founded in 1995 and is headquartered in Ardsley, New York. And guys, if you want me to keep reviewing Acorda, let me know in the chat room, let me know in the comment section. And we are doing this video because we wanted to do a let's review section today for Acorda, and the same website that we were reviewing, onsnap.com, is speaking about Acorda Therapeutics. Let's see what they're saying. So New York's hot stock in focus, Acorda Therapeutics. This was written by Mudassar Hassan. Guys, take it as a grain of salt. Mostly well known for Ampera tablets and Imbrija powder, Acorda Therapeutics is pausing the development of new drugs that can push the revenue to soar, so long-term investors will flock in by saying, "Shut up and take my money." Oh, is that the... Dude, this was the best moment to use this. Oh my goodness.
Shut up and take my money.
However, the negative EPS won't let anyone invest in ACOR despite its fancy location in New York. On Monday, ACOR rose 3.17% to 0.69. Should we behave? Come on, behave. Within trading hours, but after the market closed, the stock jumped 56.52% by crossing the $1 line due to quickly rising demand for the shares. Perhaps whales are turning their attention to the penny ACOR, which still needs to improve the earnings. After hours, trade became so successful as most likely long-term investors are buying the stock. So Tuesday's open price may debut at $1.10 or higher unless investors sold their shares to cash out the lightning earnings. Even in the pre-market, ACOR will likely soar more than 50% again. Hence, watching the stock is highly advised to sophisticated traders with experience. So basically, those who are scalping, you can get in and get out when you understand your trading plan. But let's see ACOR, guys. Let's see Acorda Therapeutics. And guys, Acorda Therapeutics closed yesterday at 0.69. Chewy. Gotta behave, my friend. You gotta behave. But let's see where we at this morning from 0.69. Ah, Chewy, man, you're such a character, my friend. You're such a character. Let's see where we at this morning. Acorda Therapeutics, $1.27. What a move, guys. 80%. And I'm gonna be very honest. If I look at, let me look at the monthly first. We already know that we are looking like we're gonna go a little bit higher. So let me start with the monthly, okay? Let me see what we got with the monthly. There's not a lot of structure here. Higher highs has been 46. Can even add over here and here. Support and resistance, guys, the simplest way of investing. You know how it is. Buy low, sell high, right? Support and resistance, supply and demand. And if you want to know a little bit more, you can check out the link in the description for that video that we talked about it. And let me go ahead and add the 50 EMA here. Okay, I think we're looking pretty nice. The weekly over here, yes, the 50 EMA. Ooh, papo, mira. Guys, if we break this 50 EMA over here, let me show you something. And this is on the weekly. If we get to break $2.50, look at this potential opportunity of 445%, which will be insane. It's already starting to move. Definitely something to keep an eye on. I want to see what it will do. I think that we're heading to that 200 EMA. So there could be a potential retracement. If it gets to break and stays above the 200 EMA, that's going to be a blessing. So I want to keep an eye on it. ACOR, guys, keep an eye on it. Maybe we're going to be doing some beautiful. Or will we go to the bottom of the ocean and visit SpongeBob Bobby? Maybe some good opportunities there, huh? And ladies and gentlemen, let me go ahead and review the chart room once again. Well, the chat room. I'm not going to say the chart room because Chewy has been bullying me, because if the C is an S, it's going to become a little bit complicated. Let's see over here, guys, who we got. Rum N, good to see you, my friend.
Boom shakalaka.
David, D, long time no watch. Last time I seen your hair was short. Hey, man, can you get me a deal with maybe it's Maybelline, something like that? Tony Janice, I feel stuck in my positions, in the red in all but one. I don't know if I should just eat the smaller losses and move into profitable positions. Hey, Tony, sometimes we gotta cut our losses. If they're bigger, they can become even bigger, so keep that in mind. Maybe try to rethink your portfolio. Where is my money going? Is it in dividends? Is it in growth? What is my risk reward in certain positions? We can definitely connect afterwards, Tony, if you want. Breaking news, DOJ to sue Google today, alleging it relies on anti-competitive conduct to dominate search results. Just broke on WSJ. They've been doing that for the longest time, man. It's interesting. We already knew about this. It's just that, why now, huh? Why now? Let me see if there's any I don't see it. DOJ, where are you, man? Well, if you can get that article, Tony, just send it my way. I'm going to continue with the news that we got. Man, Bitcoin. Espérate, the 4 hour. Woo! Beautiful bullish candle, ladies and gentlemen. Man, look at this. We've been riding Bitcoin since over here, guys. I posted it on my Instagram, DEIVED, that our entries were over here at 10,900. Boom, chagalaka, yo, boom, 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 boom. Guys, 8.3% from our entry. Beautiful return for Bitcoin. Let me know. Give me some Hadoukens if you're capitalizing on this one. Oh, my goodness. Let's go ahead and review now, guys. I want to go ahead and review Xpeng. And let's add a stream marker over